Aging gracefully. Live your best life at any age. Aging is a journey we're all on, but here's the real question. Are we making the most of it? Wrinkles, gray hair, and slower energy might seem inevitable, but thriving as we age is not only possible, it's something you can start today. Join me as I take on the challenge of discovering how to age gracefully, live vibrantly, and turn every year into my best yet. Together, we'll explore expert tips, personal stories, and proven strategies for staying healthy, happy, and full of life. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's set the record straight. Aging gracefully isn't about trying to look like your younger self. It's about embracing each stage of life with confidence, maintaining your health, and living with purpose. Think of aging like a fine wine. It's all about the care you give yourself. So today, let's dive into what it means to age gracefully and how you can thrive, wrinkles and all. Here are some science-backed and practical strategies to help you age like a pro. From caring for your body to nurturing your mind and building a fulfilling lifestyle, these tips can make a world of difference. 1. Care for your skin. Your skin is your body's largest organ and deserves some TLC. Protect it from the elements and keep it looking and feeling its best with these simple steps. Wear sunscreen daily. Yes, even on cloudy days. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. It's not just for your body but for your skin too. Stick to gentle, nourishing skincare products. And don't forget to schedule annual skin checks to stay ahead of any potential issues. 2. Stay active. Exercise is one of the best ways to maintain your health as you age. It helps you stay mobile, strengthens your muscles and bones, and even boosts your mood. Find activities you enjoy, like walking, swimming, or dancing. Aim for at least 2.5 hours of moderate exercise per week and include strength training to keep your body strong and resilient. 3. Fuel your body right. Healthy eating isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Swap out processed snacks for nutrient-packed options and keep your sodium intake low to support your heart health. Small changes can lead to big results, and your body will thank you for it. 4. Nurture your mental health. Aging gracefully isn't just about your body, it's about your mind too. Stay socially connected, spend time doing what you love, and embrace your age with a positive mindset. Research shows that people with strong social networks and fulfilling hobbies are not only happier but also live longer. So call a friend, take up a new hobby, or spend time with loved ones, including your furry friends. 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a game changer when it comes to managing stress and staying mentally sharp. Take a few minutes each day to focus on the present moment, whether through meditation, yoga, or even mindful breathing. These moments of calm can reduce stress, improve your focus, and help you embrace the beauty of now. Let's face it, aging isn't always easy. From chronic pain to changes in mobility or cognitive function, challenges are part of the journey. But here's the good news. With the right tools, you can overcome them and thrive. Take my story, for example. After years of dealing with back pain, I discovered yoga and Pilates, which have transformed my mobility and reduced my discomfort. The key is finding what works for you, whether it's low-impact exercises, brain games, or connecting with your community to stay engaged. One of the most important lessons I've learned is the value of staying connected. Loneliness can take a toll on your health, but building and maintaining strong relationships can improve both your mental and physical well-being. Volunteer, join a club, or simply reach out to an old friend. Remember, connection is key to aging with joy. Aging gracefully is more than just staying healthy, it's about living fully. Pursue your passions, take care of your body and mind, and cherish the relationships that make life meaningful. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to start fresh, try something new, and embrace the journey. Aging isn't something to fear, it's something to celebrate. Thanks for joining me on this journey to aging gracefully. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and share your own experiences in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on living your best life. Let's embrace every wrinkle, every milestone, and every moment together. Here's to thriving at every age.